running a business is not a hobby. It's it's a full-time profession, or it's a big investment in your life. And part of that business is you need to comply with formalities, obviously. And another thing to do is you got to realize that you have a team of professionals who will help you with your business, and you don't have to do it all yourself. And you have to integrate those professionals into your business. And those professionals are attorneys, accountants, bankers, web people, things like that, depending on what your business is. And, you need to budget the money, and you need to budget the time to have that as part of your cadre of people that you depend on. Because as much as you want to do it all yourself and have like a one-man band, it's not going to work out that well if you do it that way. And I guarantee you that the proactive and anticipatory stuff that we do at the beginning of your business, or at the beginning when you make a change or you do something, is going to be a lot less expensive than the reactive stuff we have to do if you're involved in a lawsuit, or we have to go and fix things later on. So I always encourage, new business owners or entrepreneurs who are thinking of business, you have to have the mindset that you need to work with other professionals, and you need to budget to have that as part of your business plan, to have that accounted for, because if you don't, you're going to have problems.